kong na-discover, ito ang SCT Glutathione Tea Tree Soap. And it is proudly made for Dabawenyos. Problema mo ba kalangga yung oily skin at prone ka pa sa mga acne and pimples? Well, hindi ka nag-iisa. Katulad ko, problema ko rin yung pagiging oily ng aking skin. And meron akong na-discover para ma-prevent ito. Ito ang SCT Glutathione Tea Tree Soap. And it is proudly made for Dabawenyos. Yes, you heard it. SCT Glutathione Tea Tree Soap is your solution for a healthy glowing skin. It is plant-based formula that gently cleanses, control oil, and helps clear acne, which leave your skin feeling fresh and clean. Perfect din po ito for men and women. Kaya kung Dabawenyos ka, para sa iyo ito. Kaya support na natin itong lokal, SCT Glutathione Tea Tree Soap. Grab yours today, link in my basket.